Hi, this is a quick tutorial on how to enable screencasting or screen recording on your iPad. The first thing you're going to do is go to Settings. You're then going to go to Control Center, hit Customize Controls, scroll down. You'll see Screen Recording down here where it says More Controls. You may have a rare instance where the screen recording is already in your control center. If that's the case, then you can just skip this next step. You're going to add screen recording. It is now going to be in your control center, so you're good to go. You're going to exit out by just hitting the home button. Then, to make sure your microphone is enabled, you're going to right pull down. You're going to press and long hold until you find the microphone off. You're going to want to hit that icon to make sure your microphone is on. You can exit here, and now your iPad is ready for screen recording or screencasting.